What's up, guys? Happy Saturday. It's Dante here from Dadlife. I just want to hop on real quick. It is a torrential downpour, raining all day or most of the day today. You might have seen some of the other videos. I just got a golden retriever puppy. His name is Meatloaf, but we call him Meaty for short. He just turned 9 weeks old. I'm home alone with him today. My wife has the kids out all day today. Hit my breaking point around the 4 o'clock hour. And it's hilarious. So I was like, I'm going to fire up. I watched the first Fast and Furious movie. I fired up Xbox. And I wanted to play Madden. So long story short, this is a win I got to share real quick. Hopped online. And since the new Madden came out, obviously 2026 with the Saquon hurdle, is going to be discount down. $29. I was like, yes, a 2 in stock at my Target. So I put this little guy. Say hi, buddy. Hi. So I put that little dude in his cage. And I was like, I'm going to ride down there, clear my head for 30 minutes, pick up Madden. And of course, after waiting in line, it's so sad in Target. Like, it's not anybody that's near 40 or above, guys. You guys know what I mean. You used to go to the store, there'd be games all over the place or in cases. It was just a different time to way to shop. And I knew that going in. But you still felt there'd be some games. There wasn't even an Xbox section. Then I asked the nice girl there, and I said, hey, it says online you got limited quantity, 1 or 2 left, it said. She goes, yeah, your nearest store is, like an hour away. I'm like, well, that stinks. So then I hopped on real quick Best Buy, which ironically is closer to my house than the Target by a couple minutes. So I was like, what the heck, guys? So now I run into Best Buy. That looks completely different. The checkout area is different. It's just everything is so online, consumer-based. Shopping, guys, but it was like magic. You still see it. PlayStation, like 5, 6, whatever, that section. No, Nintendo Switch, that section. And then finally, Xbox X. Guys, I have an Xbox One. I have Madden 2016, okay? So then I put this on my Xbox Series 1X or whatever that one's called that I got a year or two ago. And you can only play like the 2-minute intro mode because the game's so old and it won't all update. And I was just like, I just want to play dang season of Madden. For the boys. We've got the Best Buy bag, guys. It was like, I turned the corner. I scanned the shelf, the top shelf. It was like, I don't know, like Rocket League or something. Some random skate game, not Tony Hawk's, which I have. And I'm just like, I don't recognize anything. Bottom right corner. 1, not 2, not 3. 1 Madden 2026 with Saquon and Kelly Green, reverse hurdle and peeps. And then I didn't even look what system it was for. For Xbox Series X, baby. $29.99. Let's go! For the boys. You guys understand, and I hope you guys that are near 40 or above can respect and understand what this moment feels like. Even if I get 20 minutes to myself to play this Madden. Season, let's go! E-A-G-L-E-S, Eagles! Woo! Let's go, baby. That was a win. Just remind me of old times, going to the store, checking out some games. Took way more work. I probably could have just ordered online, had it here delivered in like 22 seconds, but that was satisfying. Happy Sunday.